Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve live comments on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve live comments on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click here as you see. Sorry, not here. We go to Facebook. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by